Hello everyone, welcome back. Thank you for joining my channel. Do you know what time it is? It's time for me to show you the smartwatch. Alright, here we go. This smartwatch is a dual mode Bluetooth watch, can help you set reminders, can calorie count, has a heart rate monitor, has a sleep monitor management, it has different many exercise modes and more. This smartwatch is by BooaBei. My first impression of this watch was wow. This watch actually looked pretty nice. The strap itself is made of rubber. It feels comfortable, it's flexible, and durable. The watch color looks like it's gunmetal gray. Beautiful color. This watch is also waterproof. Has a waterproof rating of IP67. This watch is made out of aluminum and plastic. Built to last. You will know this is durable. This also comes with 2 strap holders in case you lose one. On the main page of this Fit app, anything you see here, you can see this on your smartwatch. Just double press the side button and here it is. You see your steps, sleep, heart rate, continuous heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, stress levels, and outdoor running steps, and more. And to change the watch face is very simple. Just select the icon and it changes. There's many to choose from. You change the settings of the smartwatch. You get different notifications. You set alarms. This can be your shutter button. There's e-cards, favorite contacts, and others. You can also check for upgrades. And this is your profile. On this smartwatch, there are so many features and functions, and it's not difficult to navigate through all of them. Just simply slide through the screen and eventually you will find what you are looking for. And this is the main menu with all the icons. It's easy to navigate, just scroll through like this and you should be able to find what you are looking for. I will show you a quick sample. Let's play some music. This smartwatch also has a speaker, it's located right here. Very easy to use. And to go back, just swipe back. And let's see what else they have. You can check your blood pressure, your stress level. There's a timer. Check the weather. You can use this as a stopwatch. There's an O2 sensor, alarm clock. There are so many things you can do. Exercise records, check how well you sleep. Alarm clock. Your cycle tracking. This can be used as a shutter button, take pictures or record videos. Here's your activities. Different type of exercise tracking. Find your phone in case you lose it. You can make phone calls. So many things. There's a calculator. This could be handy. You can even play games, which is very nice. Pretty cool. And settings. A lot of things you can do. So right now I'm wearing gloves and it works with gloves pretty well.